You shouldn't say that.
Hey, najua you are fast but not on the track. I know where you are fast.
What did he say? What's up, YouTube world? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ace, and if you're new here,
Unaingia Aces Arusha. All eyes on me kama tu. Oh my god.
oh my goodness. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ace, and today is day one of Sunset Corsa at ICD Road. So far, it's just preps, briefing, so I don't think there'll be much going on today as compared to tomorrow, hopefully. So if I do manage to get something today, it's a what? It's a range. Wazi man. Wazi. Yeah, so it's gonna be the cinematic style that we love to do. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and I will be seeing you soon. And guys, welcome back, Mr. Bright Mula. That's crazy. kusalimia watu.
So what's up gang, is another day, another vlog manze, tumeland na tuko na nani Ace Overdrive manze, subscribe manze pale YouTube. And today man, we're just having fun manze, to check out the cars manze and everything else manze, and inshallah to everything man. We just landed na tunawapatia
na bro na ka clean manze ni aje. Aka safi? It's on. Kabisa.
Nice one. So tujue venye siku itakuwa man.
Ndio sasa kabisa.
Inshallah man.
Tomorrow we'll have the big races, ukipenda the drag races.
Gani hiyo about leo kukua rolling race. Leo ni rolling race, then tomorrow is drag races.
Your East Africa Motorsport Hype MC.
Event is brought to you by Motorsports Kenya. A show of hands for those who can see me or for those who can hear. Watu wa JDM in the house. Wapi nduru wewe? Guy. Yote ni wa German. Sasa. Haya.
There you go.
Bunda, BBL.
You got a BBL.
BBL, look at those sides. Thick ties. Oh my god.
We are officially starting the event. This is the one. We are here courtesy of Motorsport Kenya, right here at ICD. Right behind Alice Ready. And today we are doing rolling races. If this is your first time attending such an event, rolling races means these cars will come slowly at a speed of around 50 kph all the way to the start line. Once they hit the laser, they full send it, foot to the pedal all the way to the metal. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a battle of the bad boys with the headlight lit because we are blind to you haters. What? Blind to you haters.
All my haters are suffering.
Mr. Gidua, alright.
Ona team Busheshe, team
Arima
Busheshe.
Sports, Ronnie Bucky.
Yeah man.
Chris Paul the tuner himself with 55. Haya. Masoga play catch up. Taking the lead.
Atikata, palishapita bro. Huyu alishaenda.
6-speed manual against a 5-speed manual. Listen to the logic.
Mimi niko na hiyo ya white. Unaona hiyo ya white? Hiyo ya white. Ay.
And ladies and gentlemen, and some takes it. Mona Lisa.
This is displacement versus weight. Displacement versus weight.
Who is this guy? Bro. How are you? Good, how are you? Nice to see you.
Last time was
That's in the vlog.
yeah, no problem. Hi guys, how are you doing? Make sure to subscribe to Ace.
Thank you very much, brother.
No worries. And follow us on Instagram, NA Nation. NA_Nation KE.
Top.
See you later.
So unfortunately we have to take a short break till tomorrow. That's just a short break. Do you know what hurt me the most? I was waiting for a GTL rolling race and then the moment I'm leaving, it rolls out. Not rolls, as in drive. Tunane kesho. This guy just decides to look like me, hajui kuvaa headphones, you know. Kawaida yake.